everyone, welcome to Greet Tarot. So how are you? I hope you're doing good. I hope you're having a good day today. So if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel, or if you have already supported me, thank you so very much for all the love and the support, guys. Means a lot to me. So in the description box I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow, and the decks that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box. Okay, so today's pick a card reading is what is universe manifesting for you guys. Okay, so that is going to be the topic for today. Remember, these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind, guys. And these are timeless readings, so whenever you watch this reading is for you. Okay, so I have three groups over here, and I have kept three crystals for you guys to choose from. So I'm just gonna, okay, so yeah, so for group number one, selenite crystal. For group number two, aventurine crystal. And for group number three, it's lapis lazuli. So close your eyes, relax, and choose a pile or a crystal that connects to you intuitively. Okay, so the timestamps will be in the description box. If you want more time, take your time and then choose intuitively. Okay, so I'm going to start with group number one. Okay, namaste. Group number one, if you chose this selenite crystal, let's see what is your message, what is universe manifesting for you guys. So intuitively what I'm picking is like you're very protected, very protected. Universe has your back, universe is there for you, they are working for you, not against you. So even if you feel doubt whether universe is there for you or not, they are working for you. Your prayers, I feel you have been praying for something, your prayers are they have listened to your prayers. Okay, so be patient, guys. Everything is happening for you, not against you. That is the theme I'm getting for you guys. So let's see the first card. Look, we have the first card as 10 of cups, emotional fulfillment, family. Like for some of you, I feel like your family will accept you for who you are, or maybe for some of you it's like you're finally accepting who you are. Maybe you are a part of LGBTQ community, finally you're accepting yourself. Like your family members are accepting you. Maybe they didn't accept you because of the society or the other things, right? Because of the religious things. Maybe yeah, they told you. For some of you, I even feel like that your family told you that you will never be able to have a happy family, but I feel like you will have that also. You will have a person who will love you for who you are, enjoying life. So that's a specific message. And for others of you, it's like enjoying family, happy family, emotional satisfaction. That is what is manifesting for you guys. Look, with the moon, yeah, feelings. Moon is about our intuitive feelings. So yeah, your intuition is also going to be very high. Okay, so trust your intuition, your feelings, don't ignore your feelings. Okay, so yeah, that is also a message. Universe is like telling me here, like I feel like they are sending you messages. So trust your intuition, because if you trust your intuition, it will give you a lot of happiness, emotional satisfaction, and something with kids. Okay, if you're worried about your kids or something like that, don't be worried about them, because they are going to be happy. Okay, so maybe for some of you, if your kids are away from you, they will be okay, they are happy there. Okay, something about kids. And for others, it's like you're healing your inner child, you're finally connecting with your emotions. Yeah, finally. Maybe in the past you never used to trust your intuition, but I feel like finally you are going to trust your intuition. Like universe is telling here, trust the messages, trust your intuition, because this will give you a lot of satisfaction. Okay, so if you're getting any creative nudge or creative idea, take action. Okay, for some of you, I even feel like that you are connecting with your life purpose or with your soul purpose. That will give you so much of satisfaction. This is like an inner satisfaction. That is what is manifesting for you guys, not outer satisfaction. You will be very satisfied from inside. Like you're not going to search things outside of you, you are going to search things inside of you. You are connecting with yourself, right? Yeah, that is what I feel like. You're connecting with your higher self, with your emotions. You're not trying to suppress your emotions anymore. You're, yeah, that is what I feel like. You have been doing that, finally you're like, no, I don't want to do that anymore. I'm going to not suppress my emotions anymore. And I feel like you're shedding, you're becoming you're completely becoming a different person. That is what I feel like. A lot of transformation for you guys. You're going to be very confident also, and I feel like there is support here for you guys. So whatever you do, there will be people who will support you. So there is a lot of support for you guys, okay? Even if there are people who will not support you, you will find people who will support you, okay? So don't worry about that. And I feel like you're doing some shadow work also. I feel like that. So you are finally shadow work is very very important for spiritual progress. So I feel like you're doing that. You are understanding what you need to change in you. Sometimes we try to change other people instead of changing ourselves, right? So what you're doing is like you're changing yourself, and if you're doing that, you're doing a good job. And the universe wants you to know that you need to appreciate yourself more. And yes, there is a lot of emotional satisfaction. The family you always wanted to have, it's happening for you guys, okay? Yeah. So let's see. Oh, look, I remember soul plan, the fated life versus the destiny life. So yeah, you are receiving a lot of info from the universe. You're receiving a lot of intuitive messages. For some of you, it's like you're connecting with your life purpose. There is a fated life where you are born, but there is also a destiny life where your soul knows, right, what you need, what you want. So you are connecting with your higher self, and your higher self is yeah, trust your intuition. That is what is like. I feel like you need to trust your intuition, go with the flow. If you feel like you need to change your career right now, or if you feel like you need to come out of your shell, go for it. Do something different. You don't have to walk with the crowd. You have been doing it. Finally you are changing the path, right? So for some of you, I even feel like you have already done that. You are already out of your comfort zone. You're already out of your uh, shell. You're finally listening to your intuition. You're finally trusting yourself, and you're going, you're not going with the crowd. You're doing something different. So keep on working on it, because this is what you are meant to do. This is your destiny. You're meant to connect with your life purpose. You're meant to have a good family life. That is what I feel. So maybe for some of you, you never had that family life, so you are going to have that. Maybe you always wanted to have kids, so yes, you will have that, okay? And yes, always trust your gut feeling, guys. If you have been wanting to do something, just go and do it, because this is what you're meant to do, okay? You're going to remember that. Yeah, a lot of messages, it. I feel like you're getting that understanding, that what you want to do in your life. Maybe for some of you, you were like working for a company or something, and finally you're realizing that you don't want to do that anymore, like shifting your career. Yeah, connecting with your destiny. For some of you, it can be healing work also, that will bring satisfaction to other people. That is also, I feel, it's a lot of changes for you guys, a lot of transformation. That is what is happening for you guys, okay? And look, we have the snake. Oh my god, like spiritual progress. I feel like shedding old skin, like completely transforming, right? You're not the person that you were like 2 years back. You're someone who is very different. You are trusting yourself. You are not letting other people control you. You are becoming more confident. Maybe in the past, people tried to control you. They told you, no, this path is not good, don't go there. Even, sometimes we feel like we need to make that decision, and other people tell us that it's not good, and so we become very fearful, and we don't take action. So what I'm saying for you guys is, like, now you're not going to stop. You're going to move forward, because you're shedding the skin. You have been doing the shadow work. For some of you, it's like, I'm also feeling like you have been like a spiritual awakening. For some of you, like a kundalini awakening is happening, and it's very emotional, but things things are going to get better. That is what I feel like for you guys. Okay. Yeah, look, horseman, changes, good news is what is happening for you guys. Good news, expect good news, guys. For some of you, it's like you're meant to give positive news to other people. Your work is to spread positivity. For some of you, I feel like that. Yeah, a lot of good news, a lot of optimism. That is what is coming into your life. That is what is universe manifesting for you guys. A lot of happy news. By like for some of you, it's like like your family members will give you happy news and you'll be so happy. For some of you, you will be the one who will be giving happy news to other people. So yeah, and I feel like there are people who will be very happy for you, like you are becoming confident, you're not that fearful person, and they will be like so proud of you. There is like there are people around you who will support you for sure. Yeah, look at that death. I was talking about this transformation, like endings, major endings. You're not the same person. You're not the same person. Maybe for some of you, I even feel like you thought that you will never have a good family life, and that is that is completely wrong, because you will have a very good family life, happy family life. You'll be enjoying with your if you want to become a mother, you will be becoming a mother. You will be enjoying life with your partner, happy life. uh, and if you are dealing with some relationship problems, I feel like that is going to resolve. There's some happy news happening, because you're transforming, and when we transform, things transform, because you're coming in alignment with spirit, with the universe, right? So yeah, things are shifting for you guys. Endings, major. Maybe I feel like there has been some emotional endings for you guys, but this is just a beginning, guys. There's so much more to happen, so much more good things will come your way. So always trust your intuition. Okay. So I am learning that endings are merely beginnings. And look at the color red, right? So I feel like you're healing your root chakra. Okay. Maybe in the past your because your root chakra was not balanced, and that's why your relationship or finances were not good, but finally it's balancing, and I feel right. Your finances will be better, your relationships will be better, people will understand you, you will understand people, right? And we have the masculine, and look, again we have two kids. For some of you, you're connecting with your soulmate, marrying your soulmate. That is also, I feel like, so maybe you'll be giving that news to your family members that I'm getting married and I'm planning to have kids or something like that. So I am getting, because yeah, we have these two good kids here and these two kids. Maybe for some of you, you are connecting with your childhood friend, and then this relationship might progress, or maybe this person will like say that I like you. So something like that. For some of you, that's a specific message. A new relationship is starting for some of you, and this relationship is going to be very passionate also. Okay. So that is what I feel for you guys. And I feel like you know one more message from universe is that take action. With this horse also, move forward. Don't let sometimes people try to take our freedom away from us. Don't let that happen. Don't put yourself in a box. Okay, you're meant to be free, and freedom is your birthright. Sorry, not right birth. So yeah, freedom is your right birthright. Remember that, and move forward, take action. um, don't stop, because there's lot to do for you guys. You're here to spread positivity, right? You're here to have good time with your family members. You're not here for arguing with people or making them understand. Sometimes we try to do that. We try to make people understand who we are, what we are. No, you don't have to do that. If they're not understanding, it's their problem. You don't have to argue with them and prove yourself. You don't have to do that. Okay, you know who you are, and that's enough. Okay, so that's it for group number 1. Bye bye, take care. Hello group number 2. If you chose this aventurine crystal, let's see what is universe manifesting for you guys with this green color. for you guys, I feel like your heart chakra is you need to work on your heart center, like do heart chakra meditations. I feel like that's very important. When we open up the heart chakra, that is when we are able to receive the blessing. So maybe for some of you, um, yeah, maybe for some of you, your heart has broken, you got heartbroken recently. So it's like universe is manifesting healing for you guys. Yeah, healing in all areas of your life. That is what I feel like clearing all the past, get cutting the past, cutting codes with people, toxic people, or your own behavior that is toxic, right? Something like that. You're healing your heart. So yeah, that is what I feel for you guys. So let's see what is manifesting. We have two major arcana cards for you guys, the devil and the star. Yeah, your star card is all about healing, and the devil is, maybe for some of you, you are healing your own obsessive patterns, or maybe for some of you, you are healing a toxic relationship or a toxic thing that happened in your life. You're healing something that was not good for you guys. You're healing, that's the thing. Maybe for some of you, you are right now in a dark period, and there is light coming, okay? For some of you, I'm even getting like you were obsessing about something, or maybe a habit of yours that was not good. You're healing that. Addictions, you're healing your own addictions, your own stress, your anxiety, pain. You're healing all that. Mentally, maybe for some of you, you have been not feeling good, and finally you're becoming better. You're having, you're getting that faith again. That is what is manifesting. You will, if you're not feeling like that right now, you will, because universe is helping you with that. You're connecting. Maybe for some of you, I feel like you're feeling very lost right now. You don't know where to go, what to do, who will support you. You're like, for some of you, I even feel like you're feeling very lost, and because of that, maybe you have some addictions also. Maybe for some of you, it's like smoking, drinking, or maybe a relationship. You're very possessive about a relationship, and that is not helping you. Or maybe this person is possessive about you, and this is not working for you guys, and because of it, you're feeling very anxious, you're feeling very stressed, and finally that is going to heal for you guys. So for some of you, it's like you're getting out of your own toxic patterns, a toxic relationship, a toxic work environment. So whatever it is, something toxic is going away from your life. You're healing your heart, you're moving forward, you're finally connecting with yourself. I feel like, what I'm seeing is like a mirror, big mirror. Finally you're wearing the dress you always wanted to wear, and you're getting ready, you're ready to go out. Maybe you were in the room, not going out, not wanting to meet with people, but finally you are like healing, you're finally going out, connecting with people. That is what I feel for you guys. Yeah, the next card is the great serving, mass energy, anger, conflict, softening to love. So it's the time to soften to love. So maybe there has been a lot of anger inside of you, so it's time to soften to love. Okay, so maybe for some of you, there were people around you who made you feel like that. Maybe your co-workers were like that, and because of it, you have a lot of anger. And when we have a lot of anger, we become stressed. Yeah, anger is an emotion. Sometimes we need it, right? But sometimes if it's uncontrollable, it's not good, right? So for some of you, you are healing that. Maybe for some of you, you are doing some anger management thing, and you're healing that. For others, yeah, finally some patterns, I feel for you guys, your own behavioral patterns, that is not good for you. You're understanding that, and you are trying to resolve it, and you are healing that, okay? And universe is helping you with that. You're healing your heart center finally. Maybe you were very closed off, you were yeah, sometimes because of our past experiences, maybe you have a lot of anger, but finally you're softening to love. That is what is happening. And it's important to come back to love, guys, with this heart chakra. That is what is important for you guys. Yeah, sometimes we feel like that no one is supporting us, no one cares for us. Maybe you felt like that, but understand that universe is there for you. your angels, your spirit guides are there for you. Wish upon a star, uh, right? I feel like universe is telling you to wish something so they can grant you that. Maybe you have, I don't know, for some of you, sometimes we feel like that we don't want to leave, or maybe you are losing hope, and finally that hope is coming back into your life. Okay, yeah, we have the broken arrow. Embrace the energy of peace. Yeah, for some of you it's like inner peace is manifesting for you guys. So if you're around people who are trying to argue or putting up a fight, it's important that you let go of them. Choose peace instead of fighting with them, instead of arguing with them. And for others, I even feel like it's your own self that is arguing with you, like telling you that you're not capable enough, you will not be able to do that, and because of that you're feeling angry. For some of you, you need to forgive yourself. Okay, maybe for some of you, in your past relationship you did something and you are not able to forgive yourself. So it's like it's time to forgive yourself, it's time to move forward, it's time to embrace peace. Okay, what is done is done. If you want to ask sorry, just say sorry. And if someone did something wrong to you, it's time to embrace that inner peace. Okay, yeah, it's the time to end that fight. It's time to stop to, maybe for some of you I feel like you're fighting with yourself, and it's time to stop that. And yes, universe is helping you with that. So it's time to choose inner peace. It's time to let go of the stress. Maybe for some of you we have this resistance, you're holding on to something that is not good for you guys. Maybe for some of you it's your own patterns, as I told you, like behavior patterns. Maybe you always tell yourself that you're not worthy, that you will never get a good relationship. So don't do that, let go of that energy. Okay, you need to do that. You need to let go of the things that is not good for you. Maybe for some of you, you're holding on to a relationship that is not working for you guys, and because of it you're feeling like worthless sometimes, because maybe that person is not giving you the care you deserve, right? So it's important that you let go of this person or this situation, is this job that is not working for you guys, because there is so much more for you guys. Okay, so don't hold on to something that is not serving you. Okay, so and I feel like universe will take away all the things that is not good for you, and there is a lot of hope coming your way. And end of fight, end of arguments, end of people speaking, sometimes people do that, people speak behind our back, you don't have to care about it. So there's like a lot of peace is what is manifesting, healing energy is manifesting for you guys, a lot of hope is manifesting for you guys. But you need to let go of the things that is not serving you. You need to let go of the habits that are not good for you, and I know that you know that which habits is not serving you. Okay, so you need to let go of that. Or maybe if a person is like trying to control you, you need to let go of it, right? Sometimes because of our own fear we stay there. You don't have to, because universe is helping you. So it's time to come back to love yourself. Self-care is very important for you guys right now. And heart chakra meditation, as I told you. Yeah, and for some of you I feel like there are elders who will support you, there are people around you, there are ancestors. Maybe for some of you, your elders might help you with this situation. So if they are giving you some guidance, it's time to listen to them. For some of you, okay, listen to your mother or father, maybe they have good advice for you guys. Okay, with this card, that is what I feel like. And when you listen to them, you will be able to achieve success. But there is success for you guys. You will be like, your success is like you will be getting out of this toxic thing, and you will have that inner peace, right? uh, yeah, there is like healing of your heart center. And look, envy, yeah, it's not the time to envy, it's not the time to compare yourself to other people, it's not the time to compare your relationships with other people. No, don't do that. I am the same as everybody, but with different challenges, right? So let go of that comparisons, let go of that. Sometimes when we compare, that is when we don't have that inner peace, right? Because we are like, oh my god, she did this much only and she is successful. This person is not working that much, and I am doing this hard work, but they are getting all the benefits, and you're trying to compare yourself to other people, or you're becoming envious, and this emotion is like lower vibration, right? So you need to let go of that. You don't have to argue, you don't have to prove yourself. So it's time. The first message I have been receiving is like, a lot of hope is coming your way, but you need to make a change. If you are holding on to something very tight and that is hurting you, it's time to lose the grip. Okay, so that is what is for you guys. Take care guys, bye bye. So group number 3, if you chose this lapis lazuli, let's see what universe is manifesting for you guys. With this lapis lazuli, what I'm feeling intuitively is that your throat chakra is good. Like you're balancing your throat chakra, or maybe for some of you, you need to balance your throat chakra, but I feel like your oration skills are going to get better. So if you're learning a new language, you will be very good at that language. Maybe you will speak very fluently. Words will flow like water. So yeah, your communication skills are going to be very good. So if you get a chance to talk in front of a lot of people, just go for it because you're good at it. Okay, yeah, your communication skills are on point. That is what I have to say with this lapis lazuli. And yeah, if you can work on your throat chakra, that will be very good for you guys. And definitely a lot of messages, so keep your eye open because universe is sending you a lot of information, a lot of messages. Trust your intuition. I feel for many of you, you need to, your third eye is also open, so trust your intuition. For some of you, you are clairvoyant, I feel like that also. So trust the pictures you see in your dreams. If you see something, trust it. Like in your dreams also, your spirit communicates through your dreams, or spirit communicates through different animals. So yeah, if you're seeing something all the time, yeah, maybe that's your message, so trust that. So let's see for you guys. Yeah, Queen of Swords, of course, we are talking about communication. So yeah, you're going to be very clear with your communication. You're going to speak your truth. You will have a boundary. You are not going to let in people who are not good for you guys. So you know who you are. Okay, you're very strong people. You know who you are. I feel like maybe because of your past, you have become like, yeah, you know who is good for you and who are not good for you. Yeah, you are not letting anyone enter your life and make you feel uncomfortable. You will not do that because you know who is best for you, you know who is good for you, and you are going to speak your truth. You are not going to do that people pleasing. Maybe maybe you have done it a lot, and like now you're like, no, I can't do that. I'm not into that. I will never do that. And you will be like, for some of you, I even feel like that you will be thinking, why I used to please people. Right? So yeah, you are standing your ground. You know who you are, and that's the best thing, right? Group number 3. So you should be proud of yourself. That is what universe wants you to know. And yeah, definitely communication is going to be very good. You will speak your truth. You're not going to hide yourself, or sometimes because of our own fear, we don't speak out. So you are not going to be fearful. You will speak out. Okay. So wow, Knight of Wands energy, a lot of passionate energy. So you guys are going to do something that brings happiness. You are going to do something that makes you happy. So whatever work you do, you will do only the things that make you happy. So you're the lucky ones, right? So for many of you, maybe you are going to make your hobby your career, something like that. Or maybe if you have already started doing that, I feel like there is growth, there is happiness, because she looks so happy, right? Yeah, there is so much happiness. This woman looks so happy. She's like, wow, she has that passionate energy. She's like drumming. Yeah, it's drum, right? So yeah, so you're very proud of yourself. You're going to be very proud of your own success. So there is success for you guys. That is what is manifesting for you guys. You're going to move forward. Growth. Growth. Okay, there is a lot of growth for you guys. So let's see what else. Big picture thinking. Yes, I told you, while you're meditating or in your dreams also, you might be seeing a lot of things. Maybe if you're an artist, you might see some pictures or something like that. So draw that. Okay, maybe, yeah, I feel like spirit is giving you a lot of messages through your meditation, through your dreams. So trust that and take action. Okay. And I feel you you people are like, you dream a lot, your dreams are very big, you have that big picture thinking, and keep it like that only, because all these things that you know, sometimes we feel like, oh, I'm dreaming this much big, my dreams are so big, maybe it will not manifest, and universe here is telling you, dream big, because it will come true one day. Okay, so don't lose hope, keep on dreaming big, because people like you are needed for the society. Right? So yeah, maybe you're passionate, content creators, or you are artist, whatever you do, you have this big picture idea, right? Or maybe you're writers, so whatever you feel like, if you feel like, yes, if you feel like you can do it, just go for it, do it, and don't stop yourself from dreaming big. Okay? And then, yeah, all the magic is inside of you. Okay, you don't have to look anything outside of you, everything is inside of you. If you want to create something in your life, you can create. If you want to create a six-figure income or something like that, you can create that also. You have that much power, so don't look anything outside of you, everything is inside of you. You have the magic, so unlock that magic that is inside of you. Okay? So yeah, definitely you are very, very creative people, and maybe for some of you, through your pictures you communicate with other people. Like if someone sees your picture, they will be like, oh my god, they will feel very good. For some of you, you do healing work also, I feel like, and through your videos, or through whatever, through your photos, whatever you do in your life, I feel like people get inspired because of your work. You inspire people, and you know, you can create your own destiny. And you are powerful manifestors, group number 3. So keep your thoughts positive. Whenever you talk to yourself, talk nicely, talk positively, think big of yourself, dream big, guys, because if you keep on dreaming big, that thing will manifest for you, guys. That is what is universe telling you right now through this message, and I feel like you manifested this message. Group number 3, look, joyful muse. So sometimes, you know, when we create things, when we do, maybe for some of you are writers, and sometimes you get bored. Okay, so it's like a message universe is telling, just connect with your inner child. Like sometimes everything becomes a routine. Maybe you're hard work, you know, you're writing a book, so you get up, you do the same thing all over again, and so maybe for some of you there is a little bit of boredom, or maybe you're not feeling that inspired. So just connect with nature, or connect with yourself. Like look into the mirror, talk to yourself, blow a kiss to yourself, right? Or wear some good dress, do some makeup if you like it, or whatever you like to do something that makes you happy. Like connect with your inner child, that is very important. And whenever you do something, do with do it like passionately. Don't do something for the sake of doing it. Okay? So if you're not feeling like you need to do something today, just don't do it. Take rest, play with kids, do something that makes you happy. If you like to cook, so do that. Okay? And again, the creative aspect is so much here. Like if you're painters, if you're artists, if you sing, if you dance, whatever you do, you have big vision for you, guys, and move forward with it. Like we have drums also here, so maybe for some of you music is very important. Like creative things, you're connected with spirit. With this 33 number, again, there is so much of growth, there is so much of expansion. Like be happy, guys. You're here to spread the joy, that optimism to other people. So sometimes we also feel low. It's okay. So that is why the universe is telling, just connect with your childlike energy. Maybe for some of you, watch some cartoon if you want to enjoy that. Okay? So yeah, because oh wow, friendships. So for some of you, maybe you don't have good friends, so that is what is manifesting for you, guys. Maybe for some of you, you will be doing collaboration with your friend, working together with your friend, connecting with your friends, having a gala time. That is what is manifesting for you, guys. For some of you, I feel you will only have one friend, but that one friend will be enough to you will be just enjoying with that friend. Maybe for some of you, you will be sharing your magic with that friend. Like maybe you like to talk about magic, maybe you believe in this magic thing. I feel group number 3, so you will be like talking about how you saw that thing there. Yeah, you asked for a sign from the universe and universe gave that sign, and this person will also like be like, yeah, I also asked, you know, they will connect with you. That kind of friendship is also manifesting for you guys. Universe is giving you that friend. If you don't have it, if you have, yes, this relationship will deepen. If you don't have a friend right now, I see that a friend is manifesting for you guys. And the last, wow, look at that fruition. So this, while you're working hard on something, yeah, with this Knight of Wands, you're very passionate about something, you're very creative, you're moving forward with your passions, and you have been doing the work, you have been putting the work. Yes, you will reap your rewards, you will get all that fruits. Look, you know, your hard work is going to pay off. Universe is giving you all the abundance. Look at the fruits, look at that abundance, right? So yeah, there is a lot of fruition, there is a lot of growth for you guys. There is a lot of for many of you, you will receive a lot of inspiring ideas. So whenever you receive any inspiring idea, take note, write it down, and take that. You know, if you get an idea, just work on that idea, okay? So yeah, that is what I feel. For me, for some of you, I even feel like you're seeing a lot of birds or insects also. So maybe that is the way universe connects with you. But yeah, and for and one more message I'm getting, like, eat healthy stuff. Maybe for some of you need to eat more vegetables or fruits, okay? And we have this full moon energy, so this is like something you have been manifesting. You know, if you have been doing some manifestations in this full moon, I feel like that is coming true for you guys, because you are powerful manifestors. You can manifest anything that you desire to. You can create your own destiny, guys. Group number 3, that is what universe is telling you. Universe is just telling you to be in the alignment, okay? Be in the alignment, rest universe will do. All you need to do is to be in the alignment, to be happy, to be joyful, to connect with your inner child, and to be positive, and just give all your worries to universe, because all you need to do is to be in the vibration, and when you're in this vibration, universe will take care of everything. And I feel like you are in the vibration, but sometimes you get bored, or sometimes you feel like, oh, things are not working out. Let go of that energy, do something childish. Not, you know, sometimes you can do childish things. Childish things doesn't mean it's silly, right? So do that, enjoy life, and when you enjoy life, you will see the abundance, okay? That's it for my group number 3. Bye bye, take care.